Happy morning, children. Today I am going to discuss again the same topic, that is why do I fall ill. Okay. In my last class, I have already explained about the health and disease free. Okay. I have also discussed about the disease. To recapitulate, when the ease of our body is disturbed, that situation is known as the disease. Okay. So let us see disease in more detail. Disease can be categorized into two main categories first, and they can be categorized into two main categories, and they are acute disease and chronic disease. Okay. Now you need to understand what is acute disease and what is chronic disease. Children, you might be familiar with some type of diseases which are caused in our body, which occurs in our body for a very small interval of time. Say 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. So they are known as acute diseases. But on the other hand, there are some diseases which last in our body for a long interval of time. Sometimes it is for lifelong also. They are considered as chronic diseases. Okay, so to understand this, I am just writing a sort of like thing lasts for short interval of time. Okay, and this chronic disease, this lasts for long interval or maybe lifelong. Okay, so acute diseases are the diseases which last for a short interval of time and it lasts for a long interval of time. Second important thing, children, you need to know, that is, these acute diseases, they last for a long interval of time and they do not cause anything ill effect in our body after the disease has been cured, like the weight loss of the body, loss of stamina, okay, loss of strength. This is not seen in acute diseases, but in chronic diseases, what we will find? We will find that it may happen that we lose our body weight. It may happen that we lose our stamina and strength. Okay, so this is the another aspect of this acute and chronic diseases. Okay, so these are the few important things which you must know, that what happens in acute disease and what happens in chronic disease. Now let me give you some example for it also, children. In acute diseases like loose motion, okay, like common cold and fever, like influenza, these all are acute diseases. They last for a very small interval of time. Okay, if you wish, I am writing it. Suppose I am writing dysentery, then I am writing common cold and fever, etc. But in chronic disease, they last for a long interval of time. They have certain effect left in our body. Like, let me discuss here, like jaundice, okay, like tuberculosis, etc. And lots more are there. Okay, even diabetes is also considered as a chronic disease, because once it is occurred in the body, it lasts for the whole life of that person. Okay, so diabetes is also that type of disease. Any heart ailment is also that type of disease. Okay, intravascular diseases are that type of disease. Asthma are that type of disease. Okay, so this is the basic thing. You will find the difference between acute and chronic diseases. Okay.